Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I will show with you step by step how to create a Vault account. So go to Google, search for Vault. This is the keyword. Click on this website, first one. You will see this page. In this page, just click create a free account. You will redirect it to setup account page. In this page, all you have to do, just write your email address in this case. After that, click connection vault. As you can see here, you can use a Google account. Click Google, use your Google account from here. Click registration option here. This is for registration. From this page, all you have to do, just write your email address and then click accept terms and conditions and then unscreen all your accounts from here. After that, when you write your account, confirm your email address to complete your registration process. Just confirm your email address in this section. If you have enterprise, you can write your names, your family, your enterprise, and then click on selection and screen or click on this option. This is how you can do, friends. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video.